Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to learn about ASIN, ACOS and ATAN command in Siemens PLC S7-300. Well, we use the schematic manager version 5.6 and here we will take the upload from our PLC and just go to the PLC and click on upload station to PG. And if your PLC will be connected with your PC, that will be which model connected with your PC, that will be shown in this accessible nodes. So our CPU 314 IFM is connected with our PC, so it will click it OK and again click OK and it will again click OK, and after your PLC will be shown it here, and which program is inside your PLC, that will be backup. So click it here and here and go blocks, and now this is which program is inside your PLC, that is now shown. Click OK and here it make this one. So now go to the view, just zoom factor and can be make bigger how much size you like change. So I will change this 200 and click OK and it will be bigger. So already here is a chosen my this commands from where we can choose this. You can go to the here floating point section and here you can, this is our last this commands. This already in previous lectures all these commands we already learned, and now this Arcsine, Arccos and ATAN, this is any command we will use. This is the ASIN, this is first one, and this is second one ACOS, and this is third one, this one ATAN. ASIN and ATAN, this is all commands are the inverse of the this sign yani, which is the sign command, and this is ASIN, this is the inverse of this one sign command. So how we can use this one in the program and clarify with the calculator, this is schematic manager is giving the accurate result or not. So let's verify. Just download this one program into the PLC, and when block loaded, OK, and go to the monitor. And now we will, this is our input is on. If input is not on, that will be not execute proper. So in ASIN command, basically this is inverse. How you, for example, if you like to be in check the radians value 0. For example 5, 6, 7, 8, any value which you like to be type, after you will be see this answer will be how much 0.603831. This answer you can see in the radians. Now let's clarify with this result is okay with the Google. So this value we will be clarify with the Google, this value is okay or not okay. Our this schematic manager is giving us answer perfect. So let's check with the Google. So I will go to the Google and here we will write some value. For example, which value we write in ASIN. So this first we will check this one, how much value we write it here 0.5678, 0.5678, 0. So we will type 0.5678 and calculate. If we calculate in degree, this answer will be get, but we are using this in radiant, so we will click this one and again calculate. So this answer we got, and now we will check in our program is answer is okay 638.31, 638, 638.31, same like yani 75. This is means this our result is okay. One more we will check this one result. For example, modify this, for example 0.5 if I will put, this will be how much giving us the result 0.5235. So we will check this here. 0.5, if we write 0.5 and calculate, after you can see 0.5 to 35. Same here, 0.5, 35, 99. Same. Means this ASIN command is perfect working in this software. Let's check this one, ACOS. So let's same like modify. For example, here we will type 5 and this is how much answer giving. It's nothing any answer. So also we will modify. This is here one 0 pin floating point. I will put 0 0.89879, 0 0.789 and click OK, and after you can get the answer. This is 0.661617 this. So this also we can check in the Google. Check in the Google. This is ACOS calculator. ACOS calculator, and we can check this one with this math tool first. Oh, and here we will put the value. For example, what value we will write it here? This is 789, 0 0.789 value we will be give, and calculate how much this result this one gives. In degrees he says 37.90, and in radians 0.6616. So in our program is how much? 0.1616 1617 1617. Same means yani this is accurate address. Means this is our command is also, our cos is also proper working. Now let's clarify this one. A10 already here is a 3 value insert, but this is how much answer? 1.24905. Let's go to the Google and we will check this one. What we have to be check? A10 A10 calculator. A10 we have to be check now. Yeah, A10 in we have to be put value 3. A10 calculator, and we will put the value here to 3. So when we put this 3 value, you can got the answer 1.2490. 1.2490. Same value means this Arc10 also will be proper working yani. And this commands is very useful, and this commands you can use for this various formulas like to be making in the PLC when you working for radians, and micro programs when you like to be working. For example, this is same like yani this is sine value like to be make radians, this programs. This is very helpful. Maybe you can make these formulas without this functions, but if you like to be correct program designing, you have to be use these functions. So must be learn this one in complete. This one you can read in the Google this all descriptions, and button you like to use in the program. Very simple and easy method to use this commands. Just take from here and here drop, and after you can give the answer quickly and fast. And hope guys you will be understand about this ASIN and ACOS and A10. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.